Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute Bella experience. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be trying on some glasses, some eyewear that I purchased from Zeelool. That's Zeelool.com. So for me, I am a glasses wearer. I have been wearing glasses and or contacts for the majority of my life. And at this particular point, I require a progressive lens. I am needing bifocals. So just in case you don't know what that is, you have single vision lenses. Those are lenses where the prescription is the same all throughout the lens. Now you could have a different lens for each eye, but the lens itself, say for my right eye, the prescription that I have for this right eye would be the same throughout the whole lens. When you require a bifocal or a progressive type of lens, that means that you can still have different prescriptions for each eye, but for each eye, your prescription includes a magnifying type of aspect as well. So it used to be when you required a bifocal to get that magnification when you're looking down, your glasses would have this really ugly type of line towards the bottom of it, and that actually was the magnification part of it. But now with technology being what it is, there's what's called a progressive lens. So it allows you to see distance and up close all in one lens. I require that lens. So when I'm shopping for frames, I find that my choices are limited. They're limited and they're not very fashionable because I do require that magnification type of characteristic in my lens, right? I can't have a lens that is too narrow because it wouldn't allow for enough space for them to add that magnification part in there. So, you know, it was just limited. It was no fun shopping for frames. But now, since I've found this Zeelool website, it has changed the whole game for me. For me, glasses are a fashion accessory. I can choose different glasses based upon what I'm wearing, my mood for the day, where I'm going, whatever the case may be. And Zeelool has given me so many options. So I wanted to show you guys the glasses that I've picked up so far. And also, Zeelool is affordable. You can still get regular prescription lenses, you can get progressive prescription lenses, you can also get transition lenses. Transition lenses are the lenses that change from regular glasses on the inside and then transition into a darker shade or sunglasses for you once you go outside. You can do that. They also offer blue lighting protection as one of the selection for their lenses. So you have all the options, you have all the choices that are there. But take a look at these glasses. These are absolutely gorgeous. The first ones I'm going to try on for you guys is in the style Malcolm. The color is burnt umber. And again, this is a progressive lens. And this is what these glasses look like. It is so nice. It has this nice soft pastel pink type of handle, I think is what you would call that. But it's really nice. I love how these look when I'm wearing them. They are gorgeous in my opinion. I love the fact that they've got this umber or this shell type of finish to them. Again, this soft pink on the side makes it look, you know, just soft enough. It's not too much, it's just enough. But really love these glasses. The style Malcolm comes in a variety of colors. These are progressive lenses. I also paid an additional cost to get the blue light protection, and the total cost that I paid for lens and frames was $92. So not bad at all. These are super cute. If I would have purchased these glasses from some other place like Vision Works or even Target for that matter, you know, going into their optical center, I know I would have paid substantially more than $92. I purchased all of these glasses in December, so I've had a chance to wear them and to get a feel for them. The quality of these glasses are superb. These glasses are weighted. They don't feel cheap in any type of way. I've gotten so many compliments on these glasses. They are simply adorable. I really like them. These are in the style Malcolm. This next style of glasses is called Chanel. That's Chanell. These are in the color black. So I wanted something that was going to be really simple, you know, not, you know, just on one of those days when I'm just working here at home and You know, I'm sitting in front of my computer, nothing too much, nothing too fancy required, but putting these on gives me such a classy feeling. They're simple, they're elegant. They're that pair of glasses that you can wear with just about anything. The color black is going to look nice with anything that I could be potentially wearing. The handle on these frames are thinner than the other glasses, than the Malcolms that I just showed you guys, but still super, super cute, super fashionable. Can wear this anywhere. And these two are progressive lenses, and I got the same blue light protection on these glasses, and I paid $85 for them. So a very, very good price. These glasses look stunning with my hair up, with my hair down. Again, right, if I'm dressing them up or if I'm just being casual, either way, they are definitely gorgeous. Again, this is in the style Chanel. This next style is called Exion, that's Xion. And I fell in love with these because I really liked having the green in them. I think this green is so, so gorgeous. And it's just really cute. It's kind of trendy. It looks really fashionable. And again, these are transition lenses. They look really, really good. I really like wearing these when I'm wearing brown. For some reason, wearing the brown with these glasses, it really makes them stand out. It really makes that green pop. So I really, really like these a lot. Again, these are sassy. They are trendy. I can dress these up or dress them down. And again, these are progressive lenses. I got the blue light protection in these as well. And I paid a little bit more for these. I paid $106.57 for these. But again, compared to what I would pay for this style of glass from Target or anywhere else, if they offered them in a progressive lens, I would pay substantially more. So I love wearing these. They are so, so cute. Here's another pair that I have. These are also in the style Malcolm. Malcolm was the first style that I showed you guys in the burnt umber. It was just the brown and black type of frame. This is in the color Champagne, and this is super, super cute. Again, these glasses are weighty. They don't feel cheap at all. This is a progressive lens. It also has the blue light protection in them, and I really like how this style looks on me. I've gotten so many compliments on these glasses, and they wear very comfortably. They're not too loose around the ears, and that applies for all the glasses that I've shown you. The fit of the glasses is perfect. It's perfect for me. All of the glasses have a plastic nose piece here, so you don't have to worry about having those nose pieces that are digging into your nose and making you uncomfortable. They're extremely comfortable to wear. Again, super cute. No one is able to look at these glasses and know that I got them for such an awesome price. Again, these are in the style Malcolm, and the color is Champagne. Super cute. And the last pair that I'm showing you here, these are in the style Driscoll. These are super cute. They are in the color Yellow Tortoise. I love these. I wore these to Las Vegas, and everywhere I went, everyone was complimenting these glasses. They are chic. They are definitely saying something. So they are statement glasses, but I like the fact that they're cat eye, but they're not too narrow, right? And they're a bit wider, so you have more eye space in here. And these are just gorgeous. I simply love them. So if I'm feeling a little feisty, or maybe even want to feel a little bit sexy, these glasses definitely get the job done. I love how these glasses look with my hair pulled back. It really does look classy. It works also with the hair down, as you can see. But again, I've got all of the same specifications on these glasses as I do the others. These are progressive lenses. They have blue light protection. I paid $84 for these glasses. Very affordable from Zeelool. So I purchased all of these glasses with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. I wanted to share my purchases from Zeelool with you guys, and I wanted to make you aware of Zeelool. If you are a glass wearer, if you wear glasses, if they are progressive lenses, if they are single vision lenses, no worries. Zeelool has you covered on all fronts. And again, it's going to be at a very affordable price. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.